How to convert PDF to Word in seconds. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert a PDF file directly into Word without using any third-party software. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word is open, go to the top menu bar and click on File. From here, select the Open option. Now, browse through your computer and choose the PDF file that you want to convert. As soon as you select it, a pop-up message will appear saying, Word will now convert your PDF into an editable Word document. All you need to do is click on OK or Enable Editing to continue. After a few seconds, your PDF will open inside Microsoft Word. The best part is it's now fully editable, so you can make changes, add text, or format it just like a normal Word file. And that's it. You've successfully converted your PDF into Word directly without installing any extra software. If you like this video, then make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. That's all for the video.